Make-A-Wish Canada is on a mission to grant life-changing wishes to children with critical illnesses. CSN Collision Centers is a proud partner of Make-A-Wish Canada. Since 2011, we've raised more than $450,000. This year, CSN is doing something special. We're launching a campaign called CSN Driving Wishes. We're going to take a vehicle from one coast of the country all the way across to the other to help raise money for Make-A-Wish kids across the country. Starting in Newfoundland, the CSN Wishmobile will make its cross-country journey all the way to BC, stopping at 20 different CSN collision centers along the way. The CSN Wishmobile will be branded with a beautiful blue color palette and Make-A-Wish branding.
People who spot the CSN Wishmobile on its journey will be able to join in on the CSN Driving Wishes campaign by using the hashtag CSN Wishmobile on social media. By visiting our campaign website, csndrivingwishes.ca, the public can make both national and shop-specific donations to the CSN Driving Wishes campaign.
And this is where you come in. To be one of the 20 CSN collision centers along our Driving Wishes campaign, we need a donation from you.
A $1,000 donation makes you eligible to be one of the 20 CSN collision centers featured on our CSN Driving Wishes campaign journey. Our draw will take place on March 3rd, so we need your commitment by February 28th. Contact your regional manager to let them know that you want in on the fun.
On World Wish Day, April 29th, our CSN Driving Wishes campaign kicks off. We hope that you'll join us as we embark on this cross-country journey.